not here telling people they need to leave the sidewalk, are you?
Yes, I am.
Why? They don't gotta leave the sidewalk. They don't have to leave the sidewalk. Why you out here violating people? Yo, y'all ain't gotta leave the sidewalk. Why you violating people's rights, man? Every day you out here telling people that stuff. I'm on you every day. You tripping, man.
I'm just a picture. Pictures in the frame. Pause. I paint word pictures on the canvas of life.
I'm everywhere in public.
Buddy.
What country is the U.S.?
Buddy, what's going on? If you don't tell me what's going on, I'm going to take that camera away from you.
Sir, is there a problem?
Is there a problem?
Yeah, you just threatened me.
Who did?
You did.
Why?
You said you was going to take the camera from me. Now I have a problem, yes.
Why are you recording?
We're past that now. You just said you were going to take a phone from me. You threatened me, sir.
Well, I wouldn't personally take it away from you, but I will call the police officer.
Hey, I'm not worried about that.
Okay, thank you. So that's the story, honey. I need to hang up right now. And,
No, you should take care of your business with your honey. It's really not that important to call the police.
His sister has stage 4 cancer.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm going to come on your side. I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm not committing a crime. So think about what you're doing. You should listen, you should focus on what you got going on because this is not a crime.
This vehicle.
Yeah, I filmed the tags, I filmed the FedEx, and then you guys rolled your window down, got my attention. I could film this car if I want, and I'm gonna continue to stay here and film it. I'm sorry to hear that you got something going on, but you should call them back and deal with that because this is not a criminal matter.
Well, you don't know what type of vehicles you're dealing with.
Yeah, I do. It's FedEx. I'm doing a story on this truck right here. On this truck. They just rolled on by. The cops coming. Hey, the cops are coming. They right here. That's two. That's two of them. That's two that went by. All right, y'all. We got two cops that went by. Should I stay or should I go? Number one for stay, number two for go. I seen more ones than twos. I'm just keeping it real. You know you can always move, right? You can always pull off. You can always move. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. I don't think the cops are coming. Y'all have a nice day. Sorry about what you got going on. Flip me the bird, bro. Came back. Boom! What's up, buddy? How you doing? What's your name? So you just told me, you just called the cop. Oh, I see it. Just told me, you just called the cop. Oh, I see it. Let me see it again. Show it to me again. He got a pistol on him, ladies and gentlemen. He has a weapon. He flashed me a weapon. He just flashed the weapon. He flashed the weapon. You know, that's kind of like, that's kind of against the law. He has the weapon, ladies and gentlemen. What do you show it? What you flash it to me for? Huh? Punk ass. You ain't doing nothing with it. Punk ass. Flashing weapons. I don't care. You pulled it out on me. Show it to me. I don't care. You pulled it out on me. You flashed the weapon on me. I'm scared. I gotta report it now. Yes, how you doing? I'm at 333 Washington, right? This is Washington? 333 Washington. I have a gentleman in the passenger seat who got out his car and flashed his pistol at me. He didn't pull it out the holster, but he pulled his shirt out and he kind of like threatened me with that motion. I'm scared right now. I'm at 333 Washington. Yes, he's in a FedEx car. It's V35400. FedEx, yes. He's in the passenger seat. Oh no, don't leave now. Don't leave now. He flashed a weapon on me. Yeah. They just left. They just left and made a right on Milk Street. They made a right on Milk Street off of Washington. I'm sorry, Harvard, what is it? Is it Milk Street or Harvard? Milk Street. They made a right on Milk Street. It's a FedEx car. Like a minivan. Guy flashed the gun on me, FedEx car. I'm on the call with the cops now. Wow. Cops just rolled past me. I told them, they kept moving. He was a white male in about his 60s, white t-shirt. He got out of his car, he walked towards me, he took my picture, and he pulled his shirt up and showed me his weapon, and I was scared. He was brandishing his weapon. It was white. It's a FedEx vehicle with the red and blue letters for FedEx. It's like a little minivan. Yep. Took it right on the Milk Street. Medium build. Maybe about 5'8". Had a hat on. I couldn't remember the color of the hat. Yes, it was in the side. He had it in the holster actually, but he brandished it on me. I didn't do anything. Actually, he walked towards me when he brandished the weapon. I turned around. He had his camera on me taking pictures, and he brandished the weapon. Pulled his shirt up. I'm here on Arch and Milk right now. I'm a victim, so I'd rather not give my name or my number. I see the police right here. I don't know if this is the actual car though. And yeah, they're actually behind a FedEx car right now, but I don't know if this is them. I don't think it's them. Sure, I will. Yeah, this is not them. This is not them. They all coming out, y'all. Oop. That's not the vehicle. I'm the caller. I'm the caller, that's not the vehicle. The vehicle pulled off, it was right in front of 333 Washington. He walked towards me, I turned around, he took a picture of me, and he pulled his shirt up and brandished his weapon. He turned down this way. That's why you guys stopped here, because you assumed it was this car, but it's not. No, I'm the caller. I'm the caller. The man brandished his weapon. That's not him. It's not him. That's not him. No, it was a woman driving, and the man who brandished his weapon was in the passenger seat.
Was it a FedEx vehicle?
It was a FedEx vehicle smaller than this.
Okay.
He's been there for it was a FedEx vehicle.
The V3. I got the plate. V35400. V35400. V35400 plate number. It's all documented live on footage. Van ID number 117645. He turned off Washington and he came down this way, so that's all I seen him. And I called the police. They're going to take a look, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, sir. We ended up stopping that individual, that vehicle. What we want to find out from you is, one, I want to hear your side of the story again, and two, I want to find out if you have it recorded.
It's live, yeah. It's live. You guys can actually go on there now and rewind it back.
So that's what we want to do. Can I see it on your...
Well, you can do it on your phone right now.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
What did you put it on?
It's on YouTube.
It's on YouTube?
Let me get the minute mark, y'all. Give me the minute mark for the officers. They want to see it on their phone on YouTube.
I don't want to see it on my phone. I didn't want to get the video.
Not talking about you. It's not about you. This ain't about you, bro. I'm not... man. Oh, man.
And also, sir, I'm going to need to get a little information from you so I can give it to the officers. Could you just tell me again, very briefly, what occurred?
Yes, I was standing right here in front of the T-Mobile.
Okay.
I was recording, and when I turned around, the man was behind me, recording me. I don't know if he's taking a picture or recording with his phone.
You were over there, and he was behind you over there?
Right. And when I turned around, I said, whoa! And I walked a few steps as he walked away, and he went like this. And it scared the shit out of me.
All right. So he was on this side of the street also?
He came over here from the FedEx, from that FedEx van.
FedEx?
Yeah.
FedEx van was parked over here.
Yep.
And then he came across the street, you said?
Yep, he came behind me. I was over here for maybe about 2.5 minutes, and then when I turned around, he was behind me.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's it right there.
All right. Hold on.
Can I get a minute mark, y'all? 2152.
Sorry, could I just get your information?
No, I can give you an email address. That's how.
At least get your name.
No, I'm not giving a name. I'm a victim. I could give you my email address, and then you guys get in contact with me. And you give me a report number as well. Or call
I don't have that. I'm not the one doing the report. The officer down there is still gathering information.
So pick it up from A1 or headquarters.
Well, you'd have to go to headquarters eventually. But if you're going to be around here for a while,
Yeah, I'll hang out.
I'll try to get a number back to you. Should I get your email address then, or
Yes, it's EYEZ
EYEZ
ONBLUE BLOODZ
BLOODZ
at gmail.com.
@gmail.com. All right, sir. So this is the only way we'll be able to get in touch with you. Is that correct?
That's right.
You don't want to give me your name. Is that correct?
No.
All right.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys could find it if y'all needed it.
Yeah.
But, you know,
Richard,
I'm not
just
gonna do
asking. Yeah. All right, and we have that on YouTube there.
It's live. It's live. So when you cut it, right, it will be regular video.
I could cut it and slow it down.
So it's live right now, so I have to run it.
It's at 2152.
2152.
Yeah. What's the number, y'all? 20 or 2050? What is it? I need the number, y'all. What's the minute mark? There you go. Oh no, we had to back up a little bit.
Yeah,
in front of the T-Mobile.
You can go in front of the T-Mobile. Okay.
They telling me 2150.
Oh, you said there it is.
2150.
Back a little bit.
After the guy walked by and gave me the finger in front of T-Mobile.
Yeah, that's the guy that gave the finger.
Just tell me. It's called the cap. Let me see it. Let me see it again. Show it to me again. You got a pistol on him, ladies and gentlemen. He has a weapon. He flashed me a weapon. He just flashed a weapon. He flashed a weapon. You know, that's kind of like, that's kind of against the law. He has the weapon, ladies and gentlemen. But he showed what you flashing to me for.
All right, so I'll try to get back, like I said, and see if I can get you the number as soon as we sort it out down there, okay?
Okay, so y'all did get the guy?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, y'all not gonna have me ID him?
No, I mean...
okay, all right. I mean, I want to know if y'all got the right guy.
Yeah.
I don't want the wrong...
Same guy.
Same guy that we have stopped down there.
Okay.
All right, let's go back there now.
There you go, right there, yo. Yo! Hey, yo! They just rolled past me. They let him go, y'all. But they let him go? That's the one that pulled the gun out on me. Huh? That's the one that pulled the gun out on me. They let him go?
No. We already took care of it.
So they let him go, huh? And you know what would happen if I would have did that, right? Keep it real. Come on, man. If I would have pulled that out and they would have looked at that on live. Wow. How much investigation they need? I gotta go get the Report from headquarters.
Yeah.
They open now?
It won't be ready now. It takes a while.
Well, about what? 24 hours?
Report probably by tomorrow.
By tomorrow? All right. There you go, y'all. There you go. Right. Wow. Wow, the man brandished a weapon out on me. He just rode past me. Ain't that something? Wow. I'll find all that out tomorrow. That's how it goes. The man just rode past me, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! I thought this was America, people. I thought this was America. DD, yo, y'all ain't gotta go nowhere if y'all ain't committing no crime. They ain't gotta go nowhere if they ain't committing no crime. You remember that. Yo, stop telling people they need to leave the sidewalk. Stop telling people they need to clear the sidewalk. They don't have to clear the sidewalk if they're not committing a crime. Why you doing that, man? What you doing that for? Just because you a cop don't mean we gotta listen to everything you say, bro. Yeah, get up out of here. Get up out of here with that. You can roll. You can get the out of here. Goodbye.